As you can tell by the title of the video, today we are finally talking about mochi milk from Dedcool. Now, this was recommended to me by one of you guys probably like, I don't know, over 5 months ago, probably about 5 to 6 months ago, I'd say. And at the time, I just really could not justify $90. This is $90, okay, for what, 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters. Absolutely crazy. Now, I was hoping that one day they would eventually maybe just send it to me and be like, oh my God, you're so cool. Please review our fragrance. And guess what? That is exactly what happened. They sent this to me. I did not spend the $90. So we're going to see today, is it really worth that price point? Because honestly, I don't know. It does sound really good though. I'm not going to lie to you. The main notes that they're showing like on the pictures and on the box are going to be vanilla bean, okay, marshmallow, and sweet rice milk. I don't know what a sweet rice milk is really supposed to smell like. I don't even personally think that rice has a scent. At least whenever I've smelled rice by itself, just plain rice, doesn't really have a scent. So very curious. But in all, apparently there's more than just what they say. There's marshmallow, peach nectar, enveloping incense, okay. Sweet rice milk, vanilla bean, jasmine petals, Australian sandalwood, sensual amber, white musk. Oh, that was the last one. And white musk. Okay. And before we dive into mochi milk, I wanted to ask you guys which fragrance you wanted to see in tomorrow's video. Do you want childhood banana ice cream or coconut chiffon? Now, this is from that like really sugary brand that we've been trying a lot recently with the gourmand fragrances. This is supposed to be like a buttery coconut dessert apparently. I have no idea. Both sound absolutely amazing for gourmand fragrances, so let me know down below and we'll see which one to do. Now let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Now also, before I forget to mention, this is sold at Sephora as well, and you guys know we love to save a buck over here. Saving money, we must do it in this economy, right? Any way we can. This is sold at Sephora, so if you have any Sephora coupons or points or anything like that, get this from Sephora or like one of the retail stores, or if you don't have any points there, they have it on TikTok too. So if you have coupons there, just, think a little bit, okay? I don't want you spending $90 on this little bit of fluid. Perfume should not be so expensive. It's liquid in a bottle. Understand? Ingredients can be expensive. That is a lot of why the prices are high and all that other stuff, but still, whatever. Just wanted to say that real quick. So here we are with mochi milk. This is what the bottle looks like. There's a little barcode on the front. I don't know. I don't know why I like that. I don't know if the barcode scans or not. I just think that's like a cool little design. But from the looks of it, the design of the bottle itself is obviously not a reason why it's $90. Nothing too fancy here. Glass bottle with a plastic top. Plastic, yes. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. Here's just regular little atomizer. Okay, all right. We have no perfume on today. We're gonna, ooh. Ooh. Hold on, wait. I don't want to smell it yet. It sprays good. Okay, let's smell it. Whoa. Oh my God. Hold on. Hold. This is getting me. This is different. It's good different. It's fluffy. It is a marshmallow. Oh my God. Maybe a light peach, yeah? It is a little bit milky. That's like lactonic and like, I don't know if I would say rice milk. Again, I've never smelled rice milk specifically. I don't even think that rice has a scent, but there is like a milkiness to it and like a sweet fluffiness, and oh, this is good. Now that I've let it dry down for a little bit, let's see if I can try to describe it just a little bit better. Now, the claims on here were longevity, it's super powerful. Well, I don't know how long it lasts. We're sitting here doing a video. It's not gonna be that long, right? But as far as like how strong it is, it's not like gonna walk in the room before you. It's not gonna fill up a room, which for $90 is very unfortunate. I will say I'm not getting a $90 price point out of here, especially for such a small bottle. That is really just killing me inside. But I will say, it smells so good. It's sweet, it's fluffy, it's got a marshmallow scent. It's peachy, but it's not a strong peach. Like, it doesn't smell like sweet peach nectar, like they said in the notes. It's like a light hint of peach. Like, I don't know, like a peach ring scent on your finger maybe or something. I don't know. There's a light sweetness. It's milky without like being like thick. I don't, oh my God, it's just soft, fluffy, sweet. It's good. $90 good? I, you be the judge of that. I don't personally think it's $90. Now, regardless of the price, because it is something that we cannot change, overall, I will say that this is a 10 out of 10 fragrance. If this is something that you have been wanting to try, I highly recommend you try it if you're into a marshmallow fragrance. But do not expect this to be a super overpoweringly strong fragrance like some of the reviews say or that they claim. It's soft, it's sweet, it's fluffy, it's great. It's a good marshmallow fragrance. 10 out of 10 in my opinion. I wish it was a little bit cheaper. I know, just whatever, we can't change the price. I'm done saying anything about the price. Other than that, let me know which of the other two fragrances you guys want to see in the next video. I love you much, and I'll see you in the next one.